In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how threaded text works when you want to thread text throughout the columns. In this tutorial, I have a 2-page spread, but say you're working on just a flyer that has 3 different columns. This same rule applies anytime you have columns of text and you want it to go all the way across through the columns connected. So on this text, I typed this out in Microsoft Word. And everything was already bolded and italicized and hyperlinked in Microsoft Word. And then I pasted it in here. It brought all the bolds and the italicized and the hyperlinks with it. If yours doesn't, you can add hyperlinks later, but we'll talk about that another time. So mine copied it over, and I pasted it into a column of text. But then at the bottom, it has this plus sign, this red plus sign. Let's zoom in. And what this plus sign means is that there is too much text for that text box. So I want to what's called thread the text throughout the columns to where it continues on. And let me show you. So if I click that red plus sign, you can see that my arrow has grabbed the paragraph of text. I can click into this empty column and it'll continue the text on. And I can keep doing this until the plus sign is gone. So I still have text going. So I'm going to click this, go up to the next column, and click into that column. And I'm going to do it again. Click in, click into the empty column, adjust the column. And you can keep doing this until the plus sign disappears. The great thing about this is that if I click randomly in here and enter down, you can see everything after that also moves with it. So you don't have to keep adjusting your columns individually. They're all totally connected. So you can make edits at the very beginning and everything after that will continue to edit. You always want to make sure that you have gotten rid of that plus sign to where you don't have any text remaining that's hidden. This tells me that there's still text there, so I have to keep going until it's gone, because otherwise I might have a paragraph that's completely, unfinished, and you don't want that to happen. So this is telling you, hey, all your text isn't here. So just make sure you're always getting rid of overset text, and that all those errors are gone.